Public transport drivers and operators continue to receive life support from the government, besides the fuel subsidies already received, as well as cost mitigating and income generating measures put in place for their benefit. The latest blessing to fall on their laps: free veggies from the Office of the President, DSWD and NGO plus free meals care of the Office of the President's Walang Gutom Kitchen program. Our Gab Humilde sums up all the details.
Department of Social Welfare and Development Secretary Rex Gatchalian himself distributed vegetables purchased by the Office of the President from farmers to public utility vehicle drivers. The Secretary invited transport groups, noting they too can eat for free at the department's Walang Gutom Kitchen, following President Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr.'s declaration of a state of national energy emergency in the country.
Alam naman natin na maski papano yung isa o dalawang yung pagkain sa isang araw, maititipid nila yon kung dito sila kumain. So kaya ngayong umaga, inimbitahan natin yung mga opisyalis ng mga iba't ibang mga jeepney, public utility jeepney associations para ma-inform sila na nakabukas ang pintuan nitong Walang Gutom Kitchen para sa kanilang mga tsuper. All they have to do is pumunta dito any time of the day.
Also today, the non-government organization Rural Rising Philippines distributed a ton of vegetables in partnership with the DSWD to ensure the vegetables bought from farmers reach the beneficiaries. According to the co-founder of Rural Rising Philippines, Andy Estrada, their partnership with the DSWD is a huge help in assisting farmers to find a market for their harvested vegetables.
Maganda po doon, may pupuntahan na. Kasi po yung pagbili, honestly, yun ang pinakamadali. Yung pinakamahirap yung pag-move, paggalaw at pag-distribute. Yun po yung pinaka-biggest challenge po namin. Kasi yung pagbili, marami pong gustong bumili at tumulong eh. Pero yung saan dadali, napakarami. And this partnership means we have another channel to give the produce to, and yun po, kung hindi sana magtatapos sa DSWD, sana sa BJMP, sa hospitals, public hospitals, sa DOH, kung I think the goal is to connect yung mga produkto na yon kung saan pwede na ang gobyerno hindi mahihirapang bumili dahil mura.
Walter, a jeepney driver, expressed deep gratitude for the free meals each day as well as for the free vegetables he received.
Masaya kami dahil unang-una, masyadong mahal ang bilihin ngayon. At yung hindi namin nabibili ay naibigay sa amin ng DSWD. Hindi na kami bibili yung bibilin namin ngayong araw hanggang bukas, hindi na namin bibilin at naandito at naibigay na. At nararamdaman din namin ang pagsuporta ng gobyerno sa amin bilang isang driver dito sa Makati, Pasay.
His fellow jeepney driver, Carlos, shared the same sentiment for the blessings he received.
Nabigyan kami ng biyaya na ganito. Malaking bagay po sa amin na hindi makabili ngayong araw na to. Mayroong dumating na biyaya. Kami pinagpapasalamat.
The Walang Gutom Kitchen is scheduled to open in Cebu in June, with sites set in opening another Walang Gutom Kitchen in Zamboanga. Gab Humilde Villegas from the National TV Network for New and Better Philippines.